Are you looking to grow your professional network or reach out to someone in your industry? Making connections on LinkedIn is key to unlocking new opportunities. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to send a connection request the right way and why it's worth doing. Let's get started. Use the LinkedIn search bar at the top of your homepage and type in their name or job title and find their profile. Click their profile and you will see a connect button. Click it. Once they accepted your request, you can message them and start engaging with their post. LinkedIn isn't just about adding people, it's about building meaningful relationships. The more quality connections you have, the more opportunities come your way, whether it's job offers, collaborations, or valuable industry insights. And that's it, a simple way to expand your network and open doors to new opportunities. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.